Si Hana? Pagal na. Pagal naman kami kaso go lang. Oh, nice! Ano si Ramon? Ito ha. Maski man ako pag na pero go, go, go.
Diretso din kami sa ano. Girl, makuran si paano may ate as. Pero kami itong girl, kami model.
Thank you. Do you have Taiwan beer? Beer, yeah. Which one?
Makuran. Matanggal kami ng payo.
Pepperoni.
Basa kami doon.
Okay, one pepperoni. Yeah, ikaw.
Beer ka din.
Okay man. Go lang. Parang kailangan ko mag-beer ako. Hello! Hi! Papuntahin mo na dito! Now na! Minsan ka lang sa Taiwan! Ay, 9,999! 9,999! Itong ano, itong pinailing mo sa kung ano, top 2. Go! Go! Go, go, go! Support!
Dati ka siyang model. Yes. May puta ka na.
Ay! Dali na!
Bakit puta?
Papuntahin mo na, girl. Uuwi ka na in a few days.
Uy, ate,
go! Kung hindi ka ganito ka-supportive, wag na lang. Thank you na lang. Diba?
Tapos ayun na to, girl. Nagsabi na ano. Tapos na ano lang ako, girl. Kasi...
Puta ina mo.
Yeah!
Okay! How about you? Op! Okay, say can in Mandarin.
Can!
Say in!
Can!
No, the Hebrew one.
Stay in.
It's the end!
Yes.
It's
Yeah, good.
Okay, next.
Like which one is like flows in your tongue? Which one is that? Bachamuta, Batsona, Usama, Usamama, Kushirapa, Bachazana, Imailitsa. What is like your?
very long. It's very long. It's too long. Bachamuta.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. You son of a whore. Yes, very good. You're natural.
Hijo de puta.
Ah, very good, very good. Yes, alright.
Yes.
Stinky tofu.
Ah, stinky tofu. I love it. I love stinky tofu. I love.
我不太喜欢吃豆腐，臭豆腐。
对啊，
臭豆腐很臭，很臭。
No.
You know,
tofu. Tofu.
Togo?
Tofu.
tofu. Tofu. Eating tofu.
Stinky?
Yeah, you like it. You don't like it. No, but it's stinky. Tofu. Yeah.
In the Philippines, mabaho.
Babaw.
Mabaho.
Mabaho.
Stinky.
Wow. I love your language so much. I don't know. I'm attracted to the language.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why. I like.
Actually, Filipino words are very easy to learn. Yeah.
That's right. That's what I want to learn.
Right. Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Right? It's so easy.
Okay, how about you?
Doesn't sound romantic.
Mahal kita.
I love you.
How about in Chinese and Mandarin again?
I love you.
Waini? Waini. Ikaw? How about in Hebrew?
Ani ohev.
Ani?
That's so long. What?
Aniyo?
Ani ohev ota.
Aniyo?
Oh, never mind.
I love you.
Never mind.
No. We should acknowledge because he's learning mahal kita. Aniyo, ano?
Ani ohev ota.
Aniyo.
Aniho?
Ohev.
Ohev.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Yeah, you got it. You're natural for Hebrew. Natural for Hebrew. Yeah.